Grabe, mapaparize ka talaga sa sarap nito. Nan, Babo, Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Ishmiyari Gourmet Toyo for sending us 10 of their bottles. Before we get into the details, guys, let's check out the taste. Gourmet Toyo nila comes in spicy in olive oil, and then the other one is plain in olive oil. Okay, let's taste it. Wow! Yung Gourmet Toyo natin has so much ingredients inside. So you got your spices as ingredients. No, we have garlic, we have carrots, of course we have the toyo. Mapaparize ka talaga sa sarap nito. The whole bottle is already complete with the flavor. This is something I really enjoy. Plain and simple, no complication. With your hot plain rice plus your Gourmet Toyo, it's done. So simple. This is very rewarding for me. Get to enjoy just one dish, which is this one, Gourmet Toyo. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for being with me in this vlog. Again, we would like to introduce to you Ishmiyari Gourmet Toyo. They are actually open for resellers, so if you want to check them out, if you want to order this, make sure to check out their fan page or the numbers we are flashing on your screens right now. Grabe, I really enjoyed it. Again, guys, thanks for watching Where in Pampanga. I'm gonna enjoy this. We can see you again in the next video, so until then, stay safe. Have a blessed day. Bye.